If the roof of your home develops an ice dam, you need to act fast to prevent water damage. Ice dams form when snow melts from the warm air in your attic. It refreezes above the eaves or in the gutters and forms a barrier of ice blocking any water from flowing down your gutter. The water's only escape route is through the roof shingles, resulting in stained, saggy ceilings, ruined sheetrock, saggy insulation that can turn moldy, warped floors, and peeling paint. The safest method to remove ice and snow is to use a snow rake. Standing on the ground, remove snow 3 to 4 feet back from the gutter. Take care not to damage the roof itself or to pull chunks of snow directly on yourself. Other methods include creating a vertical channel or channels to the gutter to allow the melted water to escape. You'll need a calcium chloride ice melt product, never rock salt or sodium chloride, which can damage your roof. Fill an old pantyhose leg with the product, tie it off, and lay it on the roof, with one end near the gutter, the other pointing toward the peak. You'll want to cover any shrubbery or plants below to prevent damage from the drip water. Dealing with ice dams on your roof can be risky, both to your personal safety and to your home. SERVPRO can provide a rapid and professional solution to your problem. We'll repair your drywall, carpet, flooring, and painting like it never even happened.